And now we come to milestone 4, the mock job interview. We've worked all these weeks to get us to this place where we're ready to try our hand at an interview. Your first task in milestone 4 is to research interviewing technique. It might surprise you to discover that there are some answers that are better, more successful in a job interview than others. It will be important for you to know all the various ways to interpret a question asked of you in a job interview. You're going to be expected to have your own questions for the interviewer as well. Once you've done your research, you can put together a script of a potential job interview, all the time working with the employer that you identified way back in milestone 1. Next, you will videotape your job interview. And finally, you'll send the employer a thank you letter. This has been a very helpful exercise, I think, in showing you the dynamics of interviewing and researching and prospecting for a job.